Hey y'all, Dana here, and I'm gonna say, what about those eggs? Do you have some eggs that you're not sure if they're still fresh or not? There's a really easy way to test them. And I just got home from the grocery store and I'm putting groceries up and I've looked at my eggs that I still had in the refrigerator and I thought, uh-oh, are those still fresh or not? So let me show you how to float an egg to see. You're gonna need some water, about that much in a big container. All right, and you're gonna need, of course, your eggs. Now these eggs I just bought right here. I'm gonna put one in and see what happens when I put it in there. This one went all the way to the bottom and is laying on its side. That means it's a fresh egg, and it is. It's a very fresh egg. All right, so I'm pretty certain of those because I just bought them at the store. These right here, on the other hand, I'm gonna check a few of them and see what they're doing. Okay, here's a few. I'm gonna lay them in there. I don't want them to crack as they go down. I'll put a couple. All right, do you see what they're doing? They're still on the bottom. One of them's kind of standing up. Those are still okay to eat. So if they're standing upright, but they're still on the bottom, they're still okay to eat, and these are. So I'm gonna boil those shortly. Deviled eggs, here we come. Let's try this one. This one is in the same one as that one. Look at that, y'all, it's floating. If you've got an egg that floats, that's the one you need to throw out. It's not good anymore, okay? Get rid of those floating eggs. And see, it's just still floating, still floating. All right, that's how you tell if your eggs are fresh. You know, of course, the dates are a good thing to go by, but, you know, you can float your eggs and see if they're fresh or not. I do this several times a year when I'm like, are those eggs still good or not? But, you know, I always float them and see. It hasn't failed me yet. All right, I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. First of all, I have my cookbook on Amazon. Y'all go get you one. It's got all my family recipes in it. It's called Happiness is Homemade. I'll put the link down in the comments. And anyway, now I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and he really does. And I love you too. And y'all go have a really good day and always make sure you've got good eggs. Love and blessings to you. Bye-bye.